So I visit the Smart Energy event and the renewable events regularly, and what I always notice is, while in the olden days a lot of stuff was made in Germany, nowadays there is only one country that dominates, and that country is, surprise, surprise, China. Now our own relationship with China is at the moment a little bit ambivalent. Are we trying to be friends? Are we trying to draw the line? Are we kind of supporting America? Where's their relationship going? Lots of questions. But if we want to grow renewables, and a lot of that renewable product is made in one particular country, what are we going to do about to have less of that dependency? Are we going to start an Australian manufacturing sector that is embracing renewables? That's the big question. So I'll show you where all the stuff is made. Tell me about your knowledge. Goodway inverter, where they're made?
To the best of my knowledge, China.
Okay. Now we've got a panel here, a JA solar panel, where they're made.
Best of my knowledge, China.
Suntech, different brand. What's it?
Oh, China.
SolarEdge, that's an Israeli company.
China.
Oh, come on. We've got to find something. Resu. It's interesting it's called Resu. Oh, it's got an LG logo on it.
It does.
They must be Korean.
Korean.
But, I'm sorry to say, I know at great expertise that some of the internal battery patches are made in China. Made in Korea as well, but some also made in China. So our renewable industry really is very much a Chinese industry at the moment. So as the world needs more and more renewables, China is going to do really well. Europe has sent a product, Tigo Energy.
Yes.
Where are you guys made?
Thailand, Philippines, China, and US.
Okay.
We're diversified.
So is the same product made in different places, is it?
Different products. Our communication equipment, predominantly US. Our optimizers are made in the other 3 factories, so Philippines, China, or Thailand.
Okay, so we are getting a bit of variety now.
We are, and I hear quite a few manufacturers eyeing or potentially doing business in Vietnam as well. So there's some hope of a change happening.
Look, I personally don't have a problem. The material is made in China. If it's good quality and it lasts and it's at a decent price point, nothing wrong with it. I mean, do you think Australia is ever going to come back to any manufacturing in that renewable space?
I would love to think that we would actually make an investment or consider it important. I don't know if we will, but if a government with some willpower comes in, yes, I think it's possible. But they have the desire to do it. And I think it's foolish not to.
So, Mr. Prime Minister, it's up to you.
Want more energy answered? Visit yourenergyanswers.com for quality energy products, tools and calculators, and find your quality local installers. Please support the channel by liking the video, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, and check out all our other videos. You're still here? I'll see you next time. Bye.